Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M5 in Marina Bay Blue Metallic with the red black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M5 in Marina Bay Blue Metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so we saw that headlight welcoming animation. I've got the key with me. I'm just going to press and hold panic for 1 second. So there's the pathway lighting, which shows off the entire low beam system. We have the iconic glow kidney grille lit up, which looks awesome, especially if this car is at night and you can see this in your rearview mirror. It looks incredible. And yeah, this is our first one at the store in Marina Bay Blue Metallic. And I think this color looks amazing. We did have a Touring in this color, but this is our first M5 sedan here. And I really don't think you can go wrong with this color. It looks incredible. And I drove this car from our detail bay into our delivery showroom here, and I broke every person's neck on the way. So this car has tons of curb appeal, and just look at it, it's so wide. So let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got Marina Bay Blue Metallic. We've seen this color on M8s and other X5Ms and X6Ms. So it's mostly like a 5 and up kind of color. And it is a standard color available on the M5, which is pretty sweet. But take a closer look at it. Right here where the light is hitting it, you can see all that metallic flake in the paint, which looks awesome, especially when the sun is shimmering on it. And even in low lights, the color still is awesome. We've got these lines coming down here lengthwise on the hood, and we've got the focal point up front here, the BMW Rondelle. We've got the one-piece high gloss black kidney grille that does illuminate when the car is running or unlocked. And we've got the M5 badging in black with the silver lining. We've got lots of airflow into the rad and down here right into the intercoolers. And we've got the split chin. Some sensors are down here as well, and lots of air ducts to go into the wheel wells, oil coolers, intercoolers, and everything that needs cooling. So let's get those lights back on, and let's take a closer look at these lights. So these are the Shadowline BMW LEDs, and we've got all these cool little patterns on the side here and at the front. And the 5 Series has the lights raked down for that aggressive shark nose look. And you can see that the grille kind of recesses back just ever so slightly. And we've got that, let's put the low beams on there as well. So that looks really cool when it's all lit up. And front end of 5 Series, I really like this front end. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch front, 21-inch rear. These are the 952M wheels in JetBlack burnish with the M compound brake there in blue. So that looks really good. I think this wheel design has lots of places to have to clean, but it does look pretty sweet once it is clean. So this is your 20-inch. This is your 21-inch, and you can see it's even more concave than the front one. And we have the blue M compound brake there at the back too. Now on the front fender, on the driver's side, we have the little charge port door, so this can accept a level 1 or level 2 charge. And you've got a little legend here as to what this light indicates. And this is connected to the central locking system, so when the car is unlocked, so is this little door. We also have the black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We have the full glass roof up top, new style antenna, side profile. Look at this, so wide. Front fenders, super wide. Rear quarter, extremely wide. And we have the flush integrated style door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts here. And there is also a M welcome light carpet that shines down from the rocker panel. And if we take a walk towards the back, you'll see that we have M5 emblazoned on the Hofmeister kink, which looks really nice. And on the trunk lid, we've got the black spoiler. We have the double L-shaped tail lights, and it is darkened in the middle on the M5, as it is on all of our M Performance 5 Series. So i5 M60 is also like that. And we have the vertical reflectors on the widest lower sections of the rear bumper to really widen the lookout. And then of course we've got this massive rear diffuser, giant quad exhaust tips, and they're staggered a little bit in position, which kind of looks sporty. So since I'm back here, I've got the key with me. Let me go ahead and kick my foot underneath so we can get this to open the hands-free way. Inside of here, we've got some carpeted mats. There's your charger here, so it's probably got a flex charger with level 1, level 2 head, so there's your level 2 head. Front plate brackets here, and we got a little tool kit that has your wheel lock key, tow hook, tire inflator kit, all that stuff. And it is Velcroed on the back, so I'm just gonna move it up here where there's less reason to have anything else here, and this is Velcro. We also have a grocery bag hanger on each side, and these go into these channels here so it doesn't risk crushing anything. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly just kick our foot underneath. And we can have this close the hands-free way. Oh my gosh, look at this car. Now, on any of our plug-in hybrids, including this one, you have to press a button inside the driver door to have this release because it depressurizes the fuel tank. So if I come back over to the driver's side, look at that, quick peek in there, looks amazing. So over here we've got exterior lighting control, so that's an exterior lighting menu button, on and auto, off, and then there is your button. So preparing for refueling. It may not actually let me open this if it's too full right now. So it says ready to refuel at 80%. So we've got to deplete the gas a little bit before we can open it. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it that it will open at 80%. I'm not gonna deplete the gas to do that. So this car does take 93 octane, and BMW M does recommend Shell V-Power. So once it's ready to open, you just press on the 9 o'clock position, the door will open, and there's a little spot there to put your fuel cap while you're refueling. Now down here, another M welcome light carpet is illuminating. And if I open up that rear door, you'll see we've got that beautiful red, black merino leather interior. We've got your door pull, window switch, Bowers & Wilkins sound system with this lovely speaker mesh here, and you can see the speaker itself is illuminating. We've got some pockets here with some ambient light, and these seats are awesome. We have the M tricolor seat belts. Just gonna undo the seat belts. There we go. And you got the black and red on the headrests. Center headrest is black. Armrests in the center, and up top there's a little button you can press for the pass-through into the center. And up top we have some microphones for Bluetooth. We also have some reading lights, and we have the top tethers for child safety seats. And of course the headliner is also Alcantara. We have a little hole going into the seat with a little M badge there. Accessory port with USB Type-C charging port. Down here, winter mats with some lighting, and some vents are there. On the back of the center console, we've got some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, rear climate controls with the 2 outer positions heated, a little storage space is down there as well. And I think rear seating area looks really good. So let's shut this door. We'll go to the front side next. Okay, so if we approach from the front passenger door, open that up, you'll see we have Bowers & Wilkins speaker over here. We have this interaction light bar, and this is the Indigo M color scheme. That's why we've got it lit up in the M colors, which it's going to be hard to not choose that one. And we have your window switch, door pull, door pocket, and you've got this cool mesh trim in here. We have the M5 door sill, full power seat with lumbar. M5 is illuminating up here by the headrest, and the headrest height is also power on the seat. Don't forget about that. Also have the M tricolor seatbelts at the front. And down here, there's a button you can press that opens the illuminated glove box. We have iDrive 8.5 on the curved display here. There's some lighting and some vents, as well as a few buttons are here as well. Down here, they've got the wireless charger on the driver's side, storage space on the passenger side, illuminated cup holders with 2 USB Type-C charging ports, red push start button. We got the glass iDrive controller with the M in the glass, and the M stays stationary as you rotate it. Volume wheel is here. And then we have a few buttons down here for M hybrid, M mode, setup, traction, park assist view. Gear selector is over here, and we've got some nice stitching here. So if we press this inside, you'll see that there's a 12-volt plug. So let's shut this and let's go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, let's open that up. And inside we have Bowers & Wilkins. We have some seating menu things here, unlock, lock, window controls, side mirror controls. There's your tailgate release. You can press that to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside. Down here, we've got the M5 door sill. Again, full power seat with lumbar. And let's take another look at those beautiful seats there. And over here, we have the flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display. And if I just jump in here for a moment, we have the buttons for the garage door openers on the underside of the rear view mirror. Up top, we've got the interior camera. We have the sunshade controls. So don't forget, 5 Series scrolls to the front. And we have a massive glass opening up there, which looks sweet. And we also have up here visor. So that opens, light turns on. Microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth. Handles on each side. And just a quick peek here. So if we get into driving settings, so you'll see that we have not only all the automatic parking things, including recorded path, so you can pre-record a parking path and have the car repeated again. You can also go into the My BMW app, turn on the car through remote control parking once you've made your phone into a digital key plus, and you would also be able to select the recorded path from the app. And in terms of driving, we have all the assisted driving plus, so cruise control, no hands on the steering wheel, mitigates speed, distance, steers for you, changes lanes for you, so long as your eyes are open looking forward. There is a infrared sensor here looking at your face. And we have the nice M1, M2 config buttons here. And we've got the paddle shifters here as well. And if you look along the dash here, you've got some crisscross patterns up here, head-up display. And we've got a little vent here also so you can defrost the windows. So also just wanted to press setup for a second, just so you can see you got drivetrain, energy recovery. So that would determine how quickly the car slows down when you lift. So max would slow it down further. Drive logic is the shift harshness, chassis, steering, brake, MX drive. So if you turn the traction off, you can do 4-wheel drive sport or 2-wheel drive if you're doing some hooning. And of course the M sound is there as well, which is pretty awesome. And you can also choose in your config which hybrid mode you want. So Dynamic Plus is the absolute strongest, I think, that you'd probably want. And sequential or automatic basically is what that is asking you there. So I think that all is pretty sweet. And let's jump out of here for a second. So down here we have your power adjustment for your steering column. Here's your pedals with the winter mats. You can't see it right away, but if you feel for it, right here is your hood release, and it says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo with hybrid. So this outputs 717 horsepower, 738 foot-pounds of torque. And I'm told that this can do a 0 to 100 kilometer sprint in about 3.4 seconds, which is ridiculous. We also have positive battery terminal. We also have a negative battery terminal, and way over here, we've got your washer fluid. BMWs only like regular washer fluid, so keep that in mind. And we've got the nice engine cover here with the carbon fiber design. BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood, so they both just have to latch at the same time. So put the fingers on the rondelle as to not put fingerprints in the paint, and literally just send her down. And because this hood is so big and there's lots of resistance, you gotta send it down with some serious force or it's not closing. So just like this. Beautiful. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more final lap all the way around the car. And of course, we need these lights on. And we'll do pathway lighting just because I think it looks even better with the full low beam system on there. And we're gonna come around to the back. Side profile here as well. And once I'm at the back here, I just want to start her up because if we do a preconditioning, it's not going to actually turn on the engine. So let me just jump in there for a second. So that's what it sounds like with the V8 sounds on. Normally it would start in hybrid, so you can actually precondition the vehicle indoors and not worry about any type of carbon monoxide. But just listen to that rumble. You can tell this has a V8, and you can tell that this vehicle means business. Wow. How do you like this spec? G90 M5? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M5 in Marina Bay Blue Metallic with the red, black merino leather inside and the 21-inch 952M wheels. How do you like this spec? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.